Good morning. Today we're going to take you along with us on our day in Gili Air. So first things first, we have to go to the ATM because this whole entire island is cash driven and I haven't found a single place here that accepts card payment. So
yeah. Also the ATMs only let you draw out like 1 million IDR at a time, which is only like $70. So that only lasts like a day or two.
So we get our steps in by going to the ATM. Explain what happened.
I just got money out of the bank, out of the ATM, and it gave me the money, and then the card came out for a second. I tried to grab it, and it just went swoop, right back in. So it's in the machine, and it's not coming out. My ATM card.
May I have your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Matthew Hamlin. It's not a SIM card, like it's an American bank card.
Okay, Mr. Hamlin, maybe I will transfer you to English customer service first for checking your credit card. Please waiting. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. So, the tea is that apparently Ally Bank can expedite a new card to me internationally. It takes 3 to 5 business days. They'll send it to a temporary address, and in 3 to 5 days I think we'll be back in Bali staying at a Hilton. So I guess, and also it's like midnight in the United States right now, and she said that they couldn't process any requests until 1 a.m. in the United States Eastern time. So I have to call back in an hour, but she said that they can do it. So we'll see about that. And then I guess it comes with a tracking number, so we're just gonna wait around, and we might have to stay at the Hilton a few extra days and rearrange some of our travel plans because we need my debit card back.
Thank you.
Alright, a quick coffee intermission break. I don't know. This is like a double espresso cappuccino, but they made it iced. Look at that. There we go. Anyways, so we think that we're just going to go with that route because CIMB Bank in the Gili Islands, or I guess it's all across Indonesia, they only have ATMs on these 3 islands, and then they don't have a main branch. And apparently you have to file a claim with the bank, which I don't really know how to do that, and then you have to wait for them to come out to the ATM, which takes 3 to 7 days. Then you can't just meet them at the ATM to get your card back. You have to go to the bank branch and show them your passport, blah blah blah. The issue is just that we're not going to be in Indonesia for like more weeks on end, so we don't have time to just wait for this bank to go through its bureaucracy and procedures. So I think I'm gonna try to get a new card expedited. We'll see how that goes. It's kind of sketchy though, because this, like we said before we went to the ATM, this whole entire economy is cash driven. So we just lost a debit card, my debit card, and then Matt has 1 debit card, which is fine, like we can use this debit card, but you know, it's a little bit of a game because what if the ATM eats his card and we're stuck on this island? Hopefully we'll get it sorted out soon, and then right now we're eating some salads for lunch, and we're up on the second balcony enjoying the view of the ocean. Okay, so now we're having some beach time down by the water. We're hanging out in these little beach chairs with an umbrella, which are free. We just bought some cocktails, which are 50k each. It's about $3, but we'll put the exact calculation right here. Beach chair tour. Hi guys, I look like an absolute train wreck right now because I'm still in my bathing suit covered in sand from the beach earlier, but I've just been sitting on the floor for an hour and a half talking to Ally on the phone, trying to get a new debit card sent over, and it just ended up being a bit more complicated than I had thought. But this again is literally the so basically Monday, so we were able to process my card until Tuesday, and then it would take 5 business days to ship out, and of course they didn't have any later international card. So she doesn't get until September 14th, and we're supposed to leave volume. Actually, there's going back to leave for 3 days, staying home, so points, and then flying out. So this is a debacle. Hopefully it'll be resolved. We did resolve our cash situation on the Gili Islands because we ended up just going to the receptionist at our hotel where we wired money to him, and then he just gave us cash. So we have all the cash we need to get off Gili Air and to do everything we want to do on Gili Air. So that's really fortunate that people are kind and willing to help us out. Oh, also, we were supposed to do a cooking class at 4 o'clock. It's 3:40 and I'm still covered in sand. We moved it until 8 o'clock, so we'll be doing a little late night cooking class, and we will see you then, I guess. That's the tea. And guys, I hope that we're just getting all of our bad luck, all our bad travel luck out now, because what the heck is going on? I guess the first incident is that Matt got a cold and was sick, and then Matt cut his fingers open on the drone, and then we had to go to the hospital. I got sick, and ATM ate my card. And then you guys, you're gonna laugh. This is so funny. But last night Matt was sleeping, and we told you guys last night that there were 2 yellow jackets in our room. And Matt said that they wouldn't bother us, but at 4:30 in the morning, one bit his ankle, and so his ankle's all sore. Poor guy. But I feel like mostly everything's been positive, everything's been wonderful and fun and fine, but I don't know, I've never heard of anyone getting their ATM card eaten, so wish us luck. Maybe we'll have good karma the rest of our year.
Alright, first look at this like salesman over here. I don't know how you get good you can see that, but that is the best salesman I've ever seen. Apparently we love this place. We've come here 3 times now. 1 to work and 2 to play this guy. But they have really cheap food and really cheap drinks. And the view is absolutely insane. So we like it here. Also, I'm pretty sure we're the only customers this place has had in the past 3 days.
Get it.
I don't get it. This place is awesome. And that salesman is like lit. But look. Not a single other person.
I'm from Lombok.
So this traditional cake from Indonesia, we make it from the flour. We call it sticky rice flour. You need to make a peanut sauce with fried tempe. On the bowl, you have the flour. The coconut, you can eat the coconut. Basketballs for coconut there. And then you put salt into the coconut a little bit. Salt? Yes, we have salt in front of me. Finish.
So we put in there?
Yes, please. You finish? Yes. We cook the balls until they float up. Later when the balls floating up, you count 15 seconds. Put on the plate, Patricia.
Very nice.
Yeah. It's a ball.
It's
Yes. How's it going up here? What happens if your finger, mate?
Drone blades.
Okay, now we make Indonesian peanut sauce. Looks very nice.
Peanut sauce.
Now you can turn on the fire. We are going to fry the tempeh.
That's good.
to get the tax.
It's like bacon.
Like small part of the chicken. Harissa, finish. And while you guys make we eat while you make the mee goreng. So you have big chili, don't afraid because it's not. We call pak choy.
Pak choy.
And we have the carrots.
That guy's showing you up.
Yeah, it's good texture enough for you. Maybe you like it a little bit longer, but we don't make noodles too soft, yeah? Just chewy.
Oh, a big portion. Smells so good.
Hi guys, we realized that we forgot to end last night's vlog after we went to the Indonesian cooking class. So it's a pretty intimate and private setting, so we tried to get as many videos as we could, but we made dessert first, which is as it should be. I forget the name of it, we'll put it right here.
Yes, somewhere here, but the dessert was like a green ball that was really chewy, and we fried like palm sugar in the middle. I don't know, it was really good.
It doesn't have to be green, that was actually just food coloring, but we took coconut water and flour and then made this like dough, and then they were little fried balls. And they were good. And then we made a little appetizer.
We fried up Tempe, which is like peanuts with fungus or something. I don't know, but it tasted good, fried. And then we made peanut sauce, which was really spicy, but very tasty.
And then for the main course, we made mee goreng, of course, and this time they made it quite spicy.
I love mee goreng. Spicy is better. So in mee goreng, it's fried noodles with vegetables, so that was very tasty as well.
And it was a lot of fun. We made new friends there as well. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Good morning. So today we're gonna take you.
What?
I said so. Do you think I'm gonna get amoebas?
Yes.
No, seriously.
Probably.
Matt!
What?
Matt, do you think I'm gonna get amoebas?
I'm just being honest. Baby, obviously not. You can't get amoebas in salt water.
I can't sit on the bed because I'm sandy.
Also,
Hi, I'm from Lombok. I'm from Lombok.
And he wants to know when we're getting engaged. You look like a 35-year-old mom.
Oh my god. Somebody needs to comment and tell Patricia she's pretty because she doesn't believe me.